Hi everyone, I just got this 1080p video projector screen in the mail. I am super excited about this. This is a great quality projector. I'm going to set this up outside to cast a video, but I just wanted to show you some features here. This came in this box. I opened it up. Here is the projector. This came with a traditional HDMI cord. However, you can cast this from your laptop or your phone. So you can do a wireless connection to your projector, or you can do it the old-fashioned way. And even more than that, you also have this adapter here to set it up with a TV if you don't have those casting options. But like I said, you have multiple ways to sync this up with a computer. This set also came with tools for cleaning out your projector. I've got some swabs here and a small screwdriver. Got the tools you need to keep this maintained. There is also this right here. You have this cleaning cloth for wiping it off, and then these screws here. These are so that you can prop up your projector. And of course there is also a remote that takes two AAA batteries and a manual. So this manual has multiple languages, but it's very detailed. It shows pictures on every single aspect and how to set things up. This has everything in there you're going to need for getting this set up in your home or wherever you're going with it. So real quick, I'm just going to turn this on so you can see this machine work. When I turn on the button with my remote, just the power button right there, it's going to open it up for me, which I think is so cool. I know it's just a more modern basic feature, but it looks awesome. You've got this bright light showing. On the camera it's okay, but in real life you don't really want to look into that light, so just a heads up about that. Okay, on the remote here you've got a power button. You've got a mute button. This is your focus in and out. This is to adjust your screen. So if it's projecting on a wall and it's not exactly straight and you need to tweak it a little bit to get a straight image, you can actually move each corner to exactly where you need it to be. These are your buttons for going through your menu and selecting different options. This exit button is your back button. You've got a menu button and a source button. So this could be how you're connecting it. You know, if you're connecting it directly with an HDMI cord, you can go through there. And then you've got a volume button. You also have a lot of those same buttons right here on the top. You've got your up and down, okay, your back button, your power button. It comes really well ventilated. You've also got this camera right here. So here it is closing. Another great aspect about this projector is that it has a Bluetooth speaker. So you can use this when you're entertaining in your home, if you want to put on a show or if you want to play music. It's got a nice slim design. It looks great.